Number 7 is looking at a 7-sided polygon, or a heptagon. So n would be 7 here. So 7 minus 2 times 180, and that is really 5 times 180. And 5 times 180 is going to give us 900. So the sum of the angles of a heptagon has to be 900 degrees. So I just briefly want to talk about the proof of this formula, or where the formula comes from. And it's really all based on triangles. So we know that a triangle itself is 180 degrees. If we have a quadrilateral, or a 4-sided figure, we can split this up into 2 triangles. So 2 times 180 gives us 360. A 5-sided figure, we can split that up into 3 triangles. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 times 180 is 540. And then lastly, a 6-sided figure, we can split this up into 4 triangles. So 4 times 180 is 720. So that would be the sum of the angles of a 6-sided figure. So it's always 2 less than the number of sides, and that's the number of triangles. So that's how many times we have to multiply 180 to get the sum of the angles.